equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your HP NV13A0002NS. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety during the repair. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. There are typically around 10 screws, so make sure to check all corners and the center. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you find it difficult, you can use a little more leverage, but remember to be gentle. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and performance. Next, locate the LCD cover. You will see additional screws securing it to the laptop frame. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep track of them as you did with the back panel screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the laptop. If it feels stuck, check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the laptop frame. Ensure that all clips are properly seated and that there are no gaps. Once aligned, secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. After securing the LCD cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace the screws to secure the back panel. Finally, reconnect the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP NV13A0002NS. If you need assistance or prefer to have a professional handle the repair, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service right at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.